Trying out free 3D SketchUp modeling online. It will be limited, but let's see what are the commands we can do. Although it's free, you can save your work and retrieve it later. You just need to log in with an account either Google, Apple or Microsoft, etc. On the right side are the commands for modifying object identity, creating and retrieving components, instructor for tutorials, 3D warehouse for ready-made 3D modeling, materials for applying finishes, styles for preferred look, tags for layering the object, shadows for realistic shading, scenes for creating views, display for hiding and unhiding items and more, soften/smooth for additional 3D enhancement and model info. You can set up the style that you prefer when modeling your 3D and how you would want the background to be. Personally, I prefer the construction documentation style for clean white background, but you have the choices. From assorted styles, color sets for more vibrancy, default styles, photo modeling, sketchy edges and straight lines. The default for length unit is architectural, which is inches. In my line of work, I usually use millimeter. You have to purchase the paid version so you can save your preferred workspace defaults. On the left side are the 3D modeling commands available on a free version. We have select, spacebar on keyboard, eraser, type in E on your keyboard, doesn't matter if small letter or caps lock, L for line, R for rectangle, P for push/pull, M for move, Q for rotate, S for scale, B for paint, which is putting in the material, O for orbit, or you can just use your mouse, H for pan, T for tape measure, which is for measuring the object. The three dots at the bottom are for more available commands. You can use the icons for commands on the left side, or you can use your mouse for orbiting and panning to the objects. Aside from using the icon on the left or typing E for erase, you can also use delete button on your keyboard. For line command, you click in first point and end point each time. If you form a close shape, it will create a 2D solid surface. For rectangle, click to set first corner, then click again for the opposite corner or enter length, width. You can also modify the length of your rectangle by using move command. Pull command gives your 2D image a 3D volume. I'll speed up the process just to show you what this commands can do. While on protrude command, you can hold Control button to add another layer of protrusion. You can delete the lines if you think you won't need it, or simply hide in case you still need it. If you made a mistake, just type in Z while holding Control button. Make it a habit to group the object for easy selection. When moving an object, the green axis is for north and south, red for east and west, while blue is for height. To copy an object, use Move Command plus Control button. To copy multiple objects, type in asterisk and then the number. You can also indicate the distance between the objects. Make the object as a component if you want it to be linked. You only need to modify one and the rest automatically follows. You can use this command for creating columns of same sizes or workstations, etc. This is exploring the rotate command. Again, green is for north and south, red is for west and east, and blue is for height. New drawings always aligns on this axis. If you want a different angle, you simply use rotate command. You can type in if you want a specific degree for your object orientation. To copy an object to include in the component, use Copy-Paste command. Scale command is for changing the size of the object freely or by scale as 2 for double the size or -1 for flipping the object direction. Notice where you handle the object for scaling, results to a different resizing. By using scale command and typing in -1 flips the object to the opposite direction, or like rotating it to 180 degree. Paint icon on the left is command for applying material, or you can simply go straight to the right side icons on look for materials. When your object is in group, once you apply the material, it will apply to all its surfaces. You have to double click on the object if you want a different material for the other surfaces. Modifying the material sizes, grain or weaves are not available on a free version, nor changing the direction or orienting the pattern. Tape measure is for checking that the dimension of your object is correct. You can put in the dimension using dimensions icon. If you cannot see it, go to the 3 dots at the bottom for more commands. Offset command is putting in a hollow within your object. It is equal on all sides. You can also type in the thickness for a specific size. Then use protrude command to make it hollow. For circle command, if you have a specific diameter, you can type in the radius. Say 100 diameter, type in 50. There is a ready-made 3D text. You can modify the font size and even apply materials on it. Aside from rotating, you can also use the flipping command icon. You can also put a label or callouts to your object. If you need to do a sectional view of the plan or elevation, you can do so with the section command. You need to create scenes to hide and unhide the section symbol using layer, or activate and deactivate the section for each scenes. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. We will surely do another video showing you how to use scenes command. Give us a like if you learned something today, and thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone.